welcome back to my channel. I know I keep saying it's taken a long time, but I've just been super busy. But the time has come that my main living area is going to get done, and I'm taking you guys along with me. You guys saw my deck being done, my basement, laundry room. I did do a tour of Micah's room. I did do Caden's room. All we did was paint in there, and we got him a new bed. I'll show you guys all of that. I'm thinking of maybe I'll do a house tour for, it will be our 10-year house anniversary, I guess. We bought this house 10 years ago. It'll be in June, so that's why all the updates, and I'm super excited to get this main living area done, especially my kitchen. Like, I'm always in the kitchen, and I just cannot wait till it's like completely transformed. Like, I can envision it, and I just cannot wait. So I already had an estimate done for the paint. I have somebody coming tomorrow for countertops. Not sure if I'm gonna go with quartz or granite. I'm still along the lines, because this is a 2-family house. I mean, I have a goal of just staying here for 3 more years and get into a 1-family and just keep this as a rental property. So I didn't know if I wanted to do granite, quartz countertops. I just, for Micah, was perfectly fine for me. They have really beautiful colors, but my husband wants to go with something more durable. It definitely will raise the, you know, the value of the house, so it doesn't hurt. But I'll see my options tomorrow. But I picked my colors already. They're coming in 2 days, so I do have a lot to get done before they do come. In preparation, I've already started like, I guess, taking stuff down and out. If you guys maybe saw in like other videos, I had a desk here with a smaller desk there as well. That's completely gone. Look how disgusting the wall is. I just can't wait. I am keeping this shelving unit. This is gone. I'm keeping those chairs, but I'm taking them down, taking those blinds off. Just too dark. Even though there's like, the house next to us is only just a couple of feet, but I do want something that I can open. I am keeping this unit. Wall art, of course, is coming out. I'm getting a new sofa, so this is coming out. All these pictures are coming out. They're not going back up. I mean, my kids love this picture. I absolutely love it. I do have to remake a new picture of all the kids, but I don't know if I want such big artwork on my wall. I did have something made of each and every one of the kids that is going to be going up. This is coming out. Of course, the rug, the little table. I'm taking everything out. I already took off, I had 2 more calyx shelves that I took out. This one's coming out also. This is also trash. Everything is coming off the walls. No more coffee bar. I don't think I want to have a coffee bar. I want to keep everything like very minimal. They'll fix like my door from the dogs, which they're gonna probably ruin again. But this countertop is going. I'm gonna keep these stools just for now. The island is fairly new. Maybe got it done like 3 or 4 years ago, so that's staying. But this is all going to be repainted. The wall, of course. Let it adjust. Eventually, I will be getting a new stove. This stove, I've had it for, oh my gosh, about 17 years. And I love it. It's Kenmore Elite, and it's never given me an issue at all. I've never had an issue with it. I do want a hood microwave, so I'm thinking I'll wait so I can get both pieces. But I know how this works. No issues. I love it, but my husband said it's time for a new one. I mean, it's really like worn, and like these are even like, look how they are. It's definitely time for a new one. I've tried to take this off, but nothing. I'll take that off, whatever. But this is all coming out. This is like my main thing. It's the color of these cabinets. I can't wait for them to go. I think I'll just keep the same hardware. I'm gonna take it out, put it back in, and fix them like my husband did it, and they're a little crooked, so I don't know. But that's all that's getting done here in this main. And I'm going, oh, and I'm also gonna get a regular door. I don't like this door. and even they're gonna paint all the way down to this hallway. Is gonna all be repainted. There's so many marks and scuffs and stuff. The kids would put their legs on each side and climb all the way up, slide down. But I'm so glad that they're out of that stage already. So now I get to go back to normalcy. I mean, I see all these YouTubers are constantly cleaning and they have these little tiny little babies. And when my kids were small, there was no time for anything. I had 7 little rugrats running around and I never had time. Like, my walls were destroyed, like everything. This is as good as it's got. It's been 10 years since these walls have seen a fresh set of paint. And I'm just so excited, like, to finally get it done. I'm gonna try to keep things like very minimal. I mean, and I have ideas in my head of what I want things to look like, but I'm just so undecisive on what furniture I'm gonna get and things like that. So I'm gonna take you guys along so you guys can see this transformation, and then hopefully, I think this will be, no, then the bathrooms, 3 bathrooms will need to be done, and then I'll be able to do a complete home tour, like, and I love to do that for myself also, because I get to see a before and after. And this house needs it, 10-year anniversary birthday that it will be having, and I'm really excited. So stay tuned for everything. If you are new here, my name is Kiki. I am a mama of 7, and right now I only have 4 kids in the house. 3 are out, and I guess we're just winding down our lives. You still don't get sleep. I don't care how old your kids are, I still lack a lot of sleep. So don't wait for that. Don't wait for your kids to get older to think you're gonna get sleep, because it's not gonna happen. But anyway, so I have to empty out everything, get rid of everything, and I guess I'll just do a little montage of all of that, and then I will show you guys when the painters are here to paint. Like, it's just so amazing. I'm just so happy. But thank you so much for joining me, and let's get on to work.
Common conundrum of man. Good people question if there is one. While bad is soon good, disregard the tally victims. Think it's pretty hard living knowing father was the latter. What if my blood goes splatter? If it Pollock or not matter at all. If I fall, would you catch me? Or would you let me go?
Okay, so this is what I'm doing now. I'm organizing all of these cabinets because these are not going to be painted. I had all teas in here, and this was just like junk, like Chinese restaurant stuff and stuff like that. So now I want to just put all my teas in here, and I want to I have this for all of like my baking stuff, but some of this stuff is like trash or like extra. So I want to have like all my baking stuff in here, and here's another junk drawer, like a waste of space, because here's another junk drawer. Like, this is ridiculous. Just so much wasted space. So before I go on ahead and move all of this stuff out, which everything has to come out, and instead of like putting everything there, I want to at least have this nicely organized. So whatever I'm keeping, like this is all extra stuff, like stuff that I'm never ever going to probably use. That needs to be organized. I mean, this is pretty much organized. I use this on a regular. And then this is just a disaster. Look how disgusting that is, that I need to clean. So that is just what I'm trying to get done right now. And I'll show you guys what everything looks like. This is crazy how many holes our walls had. I don't want to show any of the workers here. But I I love how they covered everything.
Eso que le puse, eso, como dice, mire, lo que dicen con sus gabinetes, le puse. Este es un oil primer.
It's just primer. Okay guys, so all the doors are painted. This, my son had, like, I don't know, he was doing like a size chart here. You can still see some of it still coming through there. They put so many coats. But this is the hallway. This, I'm gonna go change this. I'm gonna go pick something up tomorrow for that. Yep, that's a blue bathroom. That'll be done next. The whole bathroom needs to be gutted. There's no light in here, but this is basically the kitchen. Is white. Countertops are gonna be taken out. Pantry, nice and white. I have so much cleaning to do, but it just looks, it's still wet, so some spots may look a little darker than others. No more scratchy door from the dogs, but it looks absolutely beautiful. I have a lot of cleaning to do. I'm going to wax the floors myself, but I'm in love. And I got a new pantry door. I didn't like the other one that I had. The other one I had was like, what is that called? Like a storm, not storm, what is it called? I forgot what it's called. It has like those little lines all over them. I didn't like that. It was really hard to clean, so I just wanted one clean thing, and then it matches the cabinets. So I'm loving it. This is what the paint looks like.
Well, I guess I'll never know. Lest I trust you with my soul. Well, I guess I'll never know. Lest I trust you with my soul. But see, I'm so good at hiding it. So good at hiding it. I don't think I need to shine a light on it. I think my heart probably better off with this little bitty box where the sun don't shine and you can't see all its scars. See, it's a dark, dark world when your lights turned off and a chance don't feel well.
Okay guys, so it's all painted and cleaned up. This is not gonna be the final result. I'm getting new countertops, both of them. I do have the door here. It did get painted, waiting for my husband to wake up and install that. I don't know if I'm gonna keep the microwave or we're just gonna get a hood. So I don't know if that's gonna stay there. It might look different. I put the stools here because I'm gonna get new ones, and I need those for guests because this is the heart of the home, the island, and we do need like extra seating. So I like those stools there, and I'm getting new ones for here. Ordering knobs for all of the cabinets for both sides, but I absolutely love how they came out. Then you can see no furniture. This is going in the garbage, waiting for my husband to wake up to throw that out. I am keeping the shelf, and I don't know what I'm using here as far as the core pieces. My daughter's picking this up in a little bit. This is going, I did get new window treatments. Well, not treatments, I got new blinds, but I love, 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 and I have to go now to go pick up the covers for all the switches and outlets. This is not staying here. I need a new TV stand. I did want to end up putting the TV on this side and possibly a sectional here. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I am gonna keep the fan because we need it like when summer comes. But everything is nice and painted. I just cleaned the floors. I'm going to wax the floors also before I get any furniture, and I still have some spots where there's like paint where I have to go over everything again, and I'm gonna wax them myself. But I love, don't mind that, I gotta put that away, and that's my water. Just wanted to do like a final result of everything, but I love how it turned out. It looks beautiful. And it's gonna look so much different once these countertops are out and gone. But guys, I look like trash. Oh my God, my nose is so red. I've just been working nonstop. It is now, what time is it? It's 4 o'clock. I've been at it since 6:30 this morning, cleaning, dusting, getting rid of more stuff, organizing. I mean, I can show you the stuff, like how I organize everything, but I'm beat. I'm beat, my back hurts, and I haven't eaten anything since like 9 o'clock this morning. So I'm gonna shower and order some food, edit this video, and I need to order some stuff, like all my knobs and stuff like that. And then I have to get a sink this weekend because the countertop guy is coming. He said he needs the sink here. But all in all, it's coming around, and I'm just so happy, and I'm grateful, and I'm blessed. I feel very, very much blessed that this is all going down. Finally, it's been long overdue. But stay tuned for shopping, decor. So if you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one, which will possibly be shopping for decor and furniture, and just getting this place back to its coziness. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, family.